Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I don't know what happened, honestly. Am I back? It looks like I'm back. Am I back? Are we back? I think we are. I apologize. I don't know what's happening today with the internet, with my connection. I guess it's yeah. Let's just have a look at what were we working on? We were working on this temple situation here. Not sure what it is. I'm having a little bit of troubles. I'm having just a little bit of troubles with the connection. First, hey, how are you? Hey, Ralph, I'm doing pretty well, thank you. So I wanted to try out. To do like maybe a diagonal, right? Like a diagonal thing going on here, right? Like something like that, like a diagonal, like that. But then I'm not sure exactly like what else I need to use. Wait, oh no, these are not the ones. Right, I need to find out like which ones I need to use. I guess it's just okay. No, not that one. Just a matter of like finding. It's not this one. I will find it at some point. I'm pretty good. Great. No, you know what? Well, let's first let's sort of continue this what we've got here, right? Before we move forward. Also, I feel like I wanna maybe divide this even more or something. Oh, I guess we can have like an entrance situation going on, right? What happens when we go this way, though? How much time do you learn Godot? It honestly, okay, it depends on the background that you have. I already knew some Python. So it was overall pretty easy for me. But it depends, honestly. There was an awkward crash. It was. Hey, KF player, what's up? How are you? Yeah, I'm not even sure if like the beginning of the stream got saved or if it got lost. Yeah, we'll see that. We'll see that. Let's just sort of continue our way, right? So let's just go here. Maybe we can have, so I was saying we can have a couple of chests here and there, right? So I guess we want to go like if I go here that way, I want to go up, and then I can turn both. Like I can turn either here or there, and then from here we can when you want to go up. It's not on your channel page, so assume yeah maybe it just got lost. That's okay. That's alright. It's not too big of a deal, honestly. So we also need to think about what sort of enemies we want to have in here, right? And I'm thinking, right? I both like don't, yeah, let's make it a little bit thicker. Yeah, like that. I sort of like it a little bit better that way. Oh, it's on your channel page. Oh, it's on my channel page. Oh, so it got saved. Oh, that's pretty cool then, honestly. Hello, Sam. What's up? You are at a loss. Baby wipes or a TP? What are TPs? No, honestly, no, I like this better. So what I want to do is, right, like, let's have here... Hey, still alive, what's up? Maybe we can have, as you can see here, we have these circle, square, and like triangle situation, right? So maybe we can have it so that to enter a certain room or something, we need to interact with these things, right? That's what I was thinking. So maybe we can have in here, let's do something. Maybe we can have in here a room, right? Like a room, like here there can be like an entrance to another place. Let's center it again, right? But to kind of go forward, you need to activate different things. That's sort of like the idea that I have. Hey Manish, what's up? Is this your own custom engine? No, it's not my own custom engine. No. It's called RPG Maker MB. So let's have in here a little bit of a larger room, I guess. Like a little bit of a larger room, right? Like something like, I don't know, something like, maybe no, you know what? Maybe something like, I can't draw a line, honestly. Something like this. What are you making? What are you making? We're working on a temple sort of situation here, right? We had this forest going on in here, and then we have this ruin entrance, and then you sort of enter the ruin. So this is the first area that you enter. And in here, right, we can actually have this. Yeah, let's do this. Let's have this door situation going on, and we need to up. No, actually, wait a second. Where is it? We need to expand this like that. Right, this is like where you go forward. Quantum temple, yeah, it looks great. Thank you. Let's remove these two. Yeah, right. So this is sort of like you need to go forward there, but you need to do something. Like it's not gonna be open. It's gonna be closed. So we can also go upward. Like, look at that. Honestly, I love this tile set. It's a great tile set. Wait, no, that's not what I wanted. That's not the one I wanted. I wanted to try out. Like here you can like go up or go down. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool, pretty cool. Looks, it's 11 p.m. in India. Oh my god. Well, it is a little bit late over there, isn't it? What is the difference between Unity and Unreal Engine? Well, they are two engines. They are two different engines. Yeah. Like, I don't have a lot of experience with like either of those, so I'm not like the best person to ask, but yeah. You right? So let's sort of like, okay, right, like now we have this, we have this situation here, right? How can we get here? Can we get here from both sides, or can we get here only from one side? That's the question. I sort of want to, like, from here, I want to go up. Let's sort of like, let's close this. Let's sort of close this area here. And maybe have a passage here. Something like that. Right? Yeah, let's sort of, yeah, so we go up here this way. You can turn this way around. I sort of want to, yeah, you know what? Let's break this wall. And let's make it so that, like, you can only go here from the bottom here, right? Like that. I kind of look, yeah, this looks pretty cool. I like it. What is your final aim with this game? Hey, Sylvain. What's up? What is it? I don't really have an aim. I'm just playing around with RPG Maker MV and see what I can do with it, to sort of see what the limits of the software are. And yeah, I don't really have a specific goal. It's more like let's explore the software and see what we can do with it. Yeah. So I don't plan on, like, actually releasing anything, or like I want to release a prototype for, like, you guys to play if you'd like, but it's not like I have a specific goal of like releasing this as a game or anything. Right? So, whoops, no, that's not what I wanted. Which software are you using? I am using RPG Maker MV. RPG Maker MV. So as we go here, right, like we go up there, up this side, and then I guess you can go here, and from here I want to close this area, right? So you can't, so maybe something like that. 22 people are watching right now. Let us all like the video and see whether it will dynamically change. Hey, Ashish, what's up? Gorgon Fecal, good evening, good evening. That's all right. You don't need to like the video if you don't want. That's not. So as we go here, right, you turn here, there may be something a little bit, what can be in here? I guess there can be one of those, like we need to, let's think a little bit, let's think. We need to activate two things, let's say. And one of those is here, right? Like there has to be like a button or something that you need to push, I guess. Did you create the art for this? No, I didn't. I didn't create the art for this. Right, so we go there. And then from here, I guess, what's gonna happen in here? Well, let's put a wall all the way here. Let's close this like that. What is your favorite game engine? So I haven't really tried that many, so it's like to say like what is my favorite. I've worked with Godot and RPG Maker MV, so that's all I worked on, honestly. So I don't know. I really like both. They're very different, so yeah. Right, let's work a little bit on this side, like what's happening on that side. Also, I guess, let's close this. Let's close this right here. Let's close it. Whoops. Let's close it so that basically if you want to go up there, you can only go there. You streams you did now. What? Hey, Darkest Eyes, what's up? So you go this way. You need to go. Yeah, you need to like go this way to go up there. Maybe let's do it more like that. Is software paid? Yes, it is. It is a paid software. Unity is free and I have commissions. Only when your game make revenue, you need to buy its followers. Yeah. Thank you, Davno. See, Davno knows more than I do. At least about Unity, because I don't really know much about Unity, to be honest. Let's have it so that like the wall goes all the way there like that. And let's close it a little bit more like here, I guess. No, I like this. I liked what it looked like that. Yeah. Look at this. It's starting to look like something interesting. What do you do for work? That's a very good question, Christian. I do. I work as a research engineer. So I do research, and in particular, I do research for a private company. So yeah, that's what I do. So I spent the day, well, I'm working on a paper right now. So I spent the day basically working on a new paper that I'm working on, right? On some of my research work. So yeah. That's what I do. What do you guys do? Are you still in school? I think like a lot of you are still in school. Well, at least the younger, the younger ones. What industry? Wait a second. Only 1 second. I'm back. I'm back, everybody. Ricky's unemployed. I am not unemployed. I'm not unemployed. Nope. Not at all. I'm a data engineer on my lunch break. Good luck, Christian. Wait a second. I'm missing some. What industry? So what industry? Okay, so what can I say? Basically, so I did materials engineering, right? And now I'm doing some radio frequency applications for defense, basically, right? For the military, basically. Yeah. I don't know about the rest of the other, but I'm 27. Hey, Patty, yeah, I'm 27 too. It's nice to have a little bit 27-year-olds represented. I have a very young audience. Like looking at my stats, I have a lot of young people watch my content, which is honestly, yeah, that's dope. 25 here. Hey, cool. Which is something that honestly I was not expecting. So yeah, there is that. Also, I think I skipped a couple of messages here. I'm 16. That's great. That's great too. That's great too. It's just that because I didn't really know a lot that's it. Like when I started posting, I just saw a more like old, like some of the game dev channels that I was following were like my age or older, and so I was not expecting to reach like a young audience, which honestly it's cool. It's pretty great. it's great. Like I'm very happy to see that, because I mean it's important to, how to say, like in 20 years, 23 years, right? I love to still be playing games, and I'm glad that so many young people are interested in, you know, making games, because in 20 years, um, like, okay, I can still be maybe I can make games in 20 years, but I don't know. I'm happy to see that, like, there are young people now who in the future will be making games that I will play. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's important. 23. 20, is that old enough? Of course it is old enough. Of course. Of course. Only 19. 19 is great. Oh my god. I wish it was 19 again. 19 is the best. So as you can see, it's starting to look like something. You know what we can do? Let's do something fun. Let's add a little bit of these, like, you know, stuff on the walls and, oh wait, why is that? Why is that? Hey Gizmo, what's up? See, we have a lot of these. Why is that? I don't want the shadow thingies. Yeah. Or do I want the shadow thingies? 36. Manage. Have a friend make his own game we could go to when he 19. Yes. I mean, you can make a game. I mean, there's no, like, there's no age. I had to say, there's no rule, honestly. Like, so what should we do? Let's start by, yeah, let's modify a little bit the floor, right? The floor is a little bit too, like, yeah, let's just change it a little bit. So we add a little bit of variation here and there. But overall, honestly, as a first, like, ruins map, it's looking pretty cool. Not gonna lie. Let's add, I'm just adding these variation tiles, right? It's gonna make it more organic, I guess. And we need to think about some, like, enemies in here. But the thing is that we don't have a lot of room. So maybe we can have some traps. Let's try to have some traps. Because we have these in here. Look at that. I have an idea. I do have an idea. I don't know how to, right? We can have some some areas being blocked like that. Wait, no, actually, like that. Like, you can't go through. But you need to you need to activate a button so that they turn from that to, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you set them off or something. Let's do that. What is the story that I want to tell in my game? There's no story in this game. It's a no story game. There's none. There isn't. What should we put? Let's so let's continue with the floor. Actually, the floor, we're not done with the floor, I feel. Oh, I want to add this here, of course. Of course, we need to add that there. Let's also add something. Maybe these. Why not? Right, like something like that. Whoops, no, that's not what I want. Why does it do that? That is a little weird. Glad we don't have 21 plus Mars and Godot. Can this, what? I don't get it. I don't get the pun. I apologize. I didn't get it. I want to use these these ones. Like this triangle. See, we have like this, these are pretty cool. We have the triangle, the square, and the circle. Not sure how to use, like, how exactly Maybe I need to create a little puzzle situation. Those tiles remind me that scary military game I played on an old Java phone. Do you remember the name of the game? Shantanu, do you remember that? Um, so what can we add? So I'm excited about, I want to try this. Let's just, okay, first of all, let's connect the area so that we can actually get there. Yeah, let's start, because I guess like from the graphics, we have something that we can start working with, which is pretty cool. So let's start connecting the areas. From area 1, we need to be able to move to the other area, right? So let's just do that. Okay, so we want to move from this to here, I guess here. We want to be looking left, I guess. Right, and then we copy and paste this all over here, right? And then in this ruins entrance area, I'm gonna paste one here. Pum, 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 pum. As a commando. And then from here, let's go back. Like, yeah, that tile. Let's, yeah. And then we go right, we see, and then we just copy and paste it all over. There you go. I also had started adding another NPC, and I like to play around with this idea that like it's the same NPC from the beginning of the from the tutorial. I don't know if you were here last time, but in the tutorial area we changed the old guy to this guy here, right? And then I wanted to make it so that like in the other area it's the same, and you go and ask him like, what are you doing here? And he said, well, I'm not like this, the other NPC. I'm like a different NPC. I don't know. We'll see how that works. From here, let's just go. Let's just make a new event that transfers us to the temple thingy. So let's go to here, and let's go, I guess somewhere here. Yeah. And we're gonna be looking up, and then I'm just gonna copy and paste it everywhere. There you go. Up, 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 up. Cool. And then what we have left is in the ruins. We need to move down, up. Oh wait, no, I don't need that. So let's relocate ourselves to the ruin entrance, and I guess somewhere like here. Yeah. Looking down, up, 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 and then copy and paste it all over. There you go. So let's see. I don't remember where I saved. Oh, I also need a saving. Let's also do that. Also need a save, like a save point. Let's add a save point here. Somewhere here, let's add a save point. I'm gonna take the save point from the other area. Right here, right? That save point. I'm gonna copy and paste it. I guess somewhere like here. Yeah. Right? I don't remember exactly where I saved. I guess I saved, yeah, so I saved here. For those of you who are interested in, you know, in seeing how we actually played the game. Did I set any skills? I did. I am level 1, yeah. So I'm a little bit under leveled, but yeah, let's, you know. Hey, Blueback Digital, what's up? There you go, yay. I just want to see if I can go to the, the ruins that we just created. But by the way, let's honestly, let's just fight a couple of enemies here and there so that we can level up a little bit. There you go. I should be able, like, I should level up pretty quickly. Wait, let's see. Status. I need 27 to the next level. That's a couple of enemies. Studying the ruins. Yeah. On. Great. Let's just save. I always save. Whatever game I play, like, I always have this thing that, like, I need to constantly save. Especially in RPG games. I always have to save. How are you guys? I may have to. Yeah, there you go. Let's try not to. Let's try not to die here. Okay, let's try not to. Oh my god, nope. No. I think I'm gonna die in here if I don't have. Yeah, there you go. Da-da-dun-dun. Wait a second. I'm trying not to die in here. Let me just try not to. I'm trying not to die, and then I promise I'm gonna. Oh, that's interesting. Like, the wasp is super far away, but I can still, like, attack it. So that's something that we need to definitely adjust somehow. Because I don't want the... Oh, no, okay, I died. Glad to get you live. Had a question. What do you use to record your face when you do live? I use my PC. I use the built-in camera on my PC. That's what I use. I have nothing fancy at all. So I'm interested in thinking, what do you plan some kind of devlog? Yes, I'd like to. I wanted to do a devlog number 2, and then I ended up not doing it. But yeah, I keep on telling myself to actually make a devlog, and then I keep on adding things. So that's the thing. Like, I want to do a devlog, and then I keep on adding things, and so I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna do a devlog once I'm done with that. And so I end up, like, never doing a devlog. So there was a question about the UI. Did I know? I did not draw it. I did not draw it myself. I did not. I don't. Yeah. It's from a demo, and then I am adjusting it, and then I can adjust it to my needs. But it's not mine. Thank you for answering. You're welcome. Honestly, like, I don't really have, like, a fancy setup at all. Let's use some items. You guys know I've renamed all of the potion items. So right now we have green tea, strong coffee, and Gatorade, which is like a brand, like a knockoff version of Gatorade. Yeah. Oh, of OBS. Oh, I see. I'm using OBS. Okay, yeah, okay. Well, okay, I get it. I'm using OBS, Streamlabs OBS to record. And then, like, the camera is just the built-in camera of the PC, of the laptop. So if we continue from here, let's see. Okay, this can be a tough fight because the wasps, I'm a little bit under leveled for the wasps, but with a couple of knife rushes, I should make it. If I can heal, which I can. Oh my god, 7 HP. Okay, well. So the mechanic is basically, so it's turn-based. Okay, I think I'm dead. I think, oh my, no. I'm almost dead. Almost. We're gonna look at Child of Light. I've seen something about this game, but I've never played it. Camera mouse with Ghost Recon over Java phone. Yay, there you go. Level up. Yay. Okay, so we've leveled up. Let me save. Let me save. Let's save. Yeah. And I think since now we've leveled up, we can learn new skills. So if I go learn new skill, I can now learn electric discharge and osmosis. I have 20 KPs. I'm just gonna use electric discharge or osmosis. I think I'm gonna start with osmosis. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start with osmosis right here. What do we have here? Yeah, 2 green teas. Awesome. Also in here, as you can see, we've got some ruins that we can, you know, study in. Pretty cool. Oh, I need to change. I thought I updated that. I didn't. Yeah. Let's resave here and let's see if we can actually get to the ruins that we made. Well, let's take that. A lot of headless ruins. By the way. So if we go here, yeah, there you go. Is he saying something? What do you mean you already met me? Can't you say I'm NPC number 2? Yeah, whatever. That is not even funny. Okay, let's just save again. I have like a billion save points, but I like the on-screen display, nice touch. Thank you. Yeah, right? It's pretty cool. Honestly, it's pretty cool. So you can see in here you have HP, MP. Oh, well, we can actually, because now that we have our osmosis. Oh, I don't have enough AP. That's okay. So from here, we can go to the new area that we worked on. There you go. This is looking fancy. Well, first of all, let's fix the collision. Yeah, we don't have the collision yet. Let's fix it. Let's fix that. So I'm just gonna save. I'm just gonna save, right? And then I'm gonna end game, and then we're gonna work on that. I'm sure you're using a Yum plug-in because they are the best. Yang plugin? Wait a second. I like editing of Adobe DaVinci. Wait, what? No, I'm using for the editing. For editing my videos, I use this. It's called Magic's Movie Edit Pro. That's what I use. Okay, so the tile set has no collision. So let's work on that. The problem here is that, yeah, this should have, yeah, the collision here. We need to fix that. Let's also add the collision here. We do not want to be able to walk on top of these tiles, basically. Pum, 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 pum. Right? So we can walk on top of these tiles and this and that. Basically all of these, no, these tiles are okay. And these are fine, I guess. I think I worked on that. Yeah, these are okay. So let's try again. Yenfly. Oh, I have a couple. I have Yenfly, but I have mostly Mug Hunter. Mug Hunter. Hey, hey, Music Rocks, what's up? Look, we worked. We're working on a new. We're expanding a little bit the area here. Right? We had only this part, like we had this big area here, and now we are sort of expanding, going this like toward this direction. And as you go up, we enter the proper building. Like this is the very first like indoor, right, thing that we have going on. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? So let's make it interesting. Honestly, let's make it interesting. Like it's there's nothing happening, but it's pretty cool. I like it. Right? Let's add some chests and stuff. Let's see. I like the RPG Maker on the Switch, but I would love some plugins. You know what? Actually, I was debating whether I should get it or not. I was honestly, because I'd love to just play around. Like I really enjoy playing around with it. So I think I would enjoy a lot having it on my Switch. But then, yeah, that's the only thing. Like if I could have my, if I could have plugins, that would be awesome. Right. So it's, so yeah. Let's add a couple of things, right? We don't Yeah, let's end the game here. Game end. Yeah. Is there a way to monetize what you make? Hey, Ronnie. Yes, there is. Yeah, you can monetize the games. You can monetize the game. Yeah. I don't know exactly. I've never added ads on a RPG Maker project, but you can monetize them. Yeah. Does somebody take a cut? Well, it depends. Of course, it depends on the platform. They always take a cut. Whether you have it on itch.io or on Steam or on like there's always that. Or is it ads only? Oh, you mean like to sell it, or can you set a price? It depends. The thing is, like, you can set a price. Like, you can export the game and then set a price, but then it depends on the platform. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't depend on the software. It doesn't depend on RPG Maker MB. It depends on the platform on which you put the game. Steam takes a ton. Steam takes a very big cut. I don't remember exactly how much, but they do take a big cut. You could compile a mobile app for the App Store or Steam. I could. Yes. Hand in a bag. I've just realized your name is Hand in a Bag. I was reading it all wrong. I don't know how I was reading it. So it's not discoverable within like RPG Maker player software, you export and price it that way. Well, I mean, like, once you export it, it's just exported game. Like, it's so like, there are RPG Maker. If you go on Steam, for example, you find some RPG Maker games there. Like, yeah, in the iOS store, like, Apple will take a cut as well. Yeah, they all take a cut. Let's try something. I have an idea. I want to create an event. Let's create a new event. Let's create a new event. Maybe here, right? And let's take, as an image, let's take, let me go to the tile set, this. That's exactly what I want. Why do you not use Unity? Why not? Just not the RPG Maker ecosystem. So RPG Maker is just to make the game, basically. But you don't sell, but then once you have the game, you do whatever you want with it, basically. That's it. So this is the image. I want to do something that basically kills you if you go on top of it. So I'm going to change the HP entire party, and I'm going to decrease it by like 50, which should not kill you, but like almost. I saw something for playing games on the Switch and a little recently. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, Steam got around 40%. Yeah, it's a big cut. It may not be 40, maybe 30 or maybe 35, but it's a big cut. I saw something for playing games on Switch a little recently. So what we want to do is on player touch and below characters, change HP entire party minus 50. It's like RPG Maker MB or something. Oh yes, it's a version of RPG Maker MB on the Switch that you can use to make games. But then the thing is that you cannot export the game you cannot export them, if I'm not right. Like, you can make the game and you can play them within the RPG Maker MB, but you don't have what you have here. So here I can go deployment. If I go on deployment, yeah, save changes to the game, then I can deploy it for Windows, let's say. I can deploy it for Windows, for Mac OS, for Linux, for Android, iOS, but I'm not sure how that works exactly. And then as I deploy it, then it's a file that you can, like, it's just a .ax like file. So then it's a game and you do whatever you want with it. But the Switch version, you cannot do that. Oh no, I did not want that. Didn't want to deploy it. So let's see if our trap works. Let's see if our trap works and kills us like instantly. So there is no like a default RPG Maker. No, no. So so let's see if that works. Basically, if you go on top of, okay, I have 17 HP. So if I walk on top of it, I should die like instantly. Oh, look at that. It cannot kill me. What is that? No, I wanted to kill me. See, my HP went all the way to 1 HP. But I wanted to, like, I want my HP to go to 0. Why is that? So do you have a quest guide? I usually replace making items slot with quests and add them as items. Do I have a quest guide? Do I have a quest guide? I don't have a quest guide. I don't. I don't know if I want to. So the idea is that I'd like to do some treasure hunts. I'd like to do some treasure hunts with like hints that you get. And we can 100% make one for this map. I'd love to do that. Let's see if I can't. I really want this to kill me. Like, if I work on top of it. Why is there a cap thingy? Right? Like, allow. Oh, I think it's here. I think it's this. Allow knockout. I think that's what I needed it. That's what I needed, I think. Yeah. You know, conditional brand will notice you're helpless. Yeah. Let's see, because there was that thing that you can, you know, like the allow knockout. I think that's why. Like, I want this to kill me if I go on top of it. I think this is gonna work. No, it's not working. Yeah, no, I think you're right. Yeah, no, you're right. It's interesting. Variable, fixed variable. What does this do? Allows HP to drop to 0. If unchecked, stops at 1 HP. Yeah, that's exactly, but this is not working. Like, honestly, my friends are being mean. No, where are they being mean? So this should work, but it's not working. Is it normal? Like, let me go. Let me see. That is 100% not working. RPG Maker MV allow knockout not working. That is not working. Like, that did not work. Oh well. Actually, we don't need forethought for this boring stuff. That I'm fine when I was. Yeah. So, not sure. Not sure, honestly. Did I not allow it? What's happening here? Let's try again. Maybe I did something wrong and like maybe I didn't save. Can you run the debug so we could see the JavaScript on screen? Okay, I don't remember what the button is for the debug. It's F something. Wait a second. Is it F12? Is it F11? What is it? Oh. Nope. Don't remember exactly what. I don't remember the debug thing, how to do it. I should do it more often, but yeah. So as we go in here, my HP should go all the way down to 0, but I don't. So there is something preventing that. There is something preventing that for sure. And I'm like, not sure why it's not working. You are so awesome, my friends. Okay, yeah. Do you know what that is? Do you know what the thing is? Like, I don't remember. I think it's F something, but I don't remember. Not gonna lie, I don't remember how to do the debug thing. So that is not working. Awesome. Yeah. That is not working. Right, below characters, player touch, HP entire party, F5. Wait a second. It could be F5. Oh, I guess I need to launch it and then F5. Well, we'll try it. We'll try it in a second. I'm 17. Hey, I've been coding for 5 years. So want to be a software engineer. Sometimes I feel like I'm not enough to do. How do you keep high your motivation and ideas? Hey, Yavuz. First of all, I just want to say you have all the time in the world. Because when I was your age, I was not doing any sort of science. I was doing piano, and I was studying piano and music composition, and I wanted to do languages, right? And then like I changed completely. I decided to do engineering when I was 22. So imagine, like at 17, you've been coding for 5 years. You have a lot of experience already. So yeah, it's okay. It's you're doing great. Honestly, you're doing way better than I was at your age. Like I started coding, like learning code, couple of years into like my engineering like school, right? So I was probably 25. So yeah, and so yeah, there is that. And then and then I was pretty lucky, honestly. I got a coding job, a 6-month internship when I was 26, with a couple of years of experience. But like, yeah, like honestly, you're great. You have nothing to worry about. You know what? Let's add. Let's see if we can make this somehow link to, like, let's see if we can link this. It's somehow we're working on things I'm passionate about when I can. Yes. Let's see if we can link this to a button, to a switch or something, so that like we can. Let's have another event page. Let's have a new event page, and I guess a switch is what we need. You could run another object parallel that says if the player's health reaches when ends game. Let's try. So I guess I need a conditional branch. I'm not sure about how to have like another one running at the same time. Oh, I need to have another event, I guess. But for some reason, it's like it changes it. Well, let's see. Have to leave for a meeting. Have a good stream. Thank you, Penny, for being here. Have a good day. So understanding that and dealing with that probably is also a big component for. Good luck with that, Ronnie Moon. It's not easy. It's not easy. I myself struggle a ton. I struggle a ton with imposter syndrome, and it can get very bad. Like really bad. Like I've had multiple times which are like, okay, I'm just gonna delete everything, and I'm just gonna delete this entire channel, and just, yeah, sometimes it gets pretty bad. What do I want to do? Okay, I wanted to do something. I wanted to do 2 things. I wanted to try and here have it so like if I like play with a button, it changes. Like let's have a switch. Okay, let's have a switch here, and let's have a switch. And I'm gonna change the maximum to 150, and I'm gonna do like here in the third, it's like 130. I heard about a woman who won like the most prestigious award in mathematics recently, and she talked a lot about her imposter syndrome. I swear, it can get very, very bad. Like she's reading this award and thinking, why are you doing this? Yeah, the thing is that I know a self switch would work, but they can never go back. Yeah, that's the thing. No, I'm gonna go with the switch because I wanted to go either like back and forth, right? Yeah, because I have an idea. You'll see. You'll see. Um, I'm gonna call this trap switch. Trap switch, right? And I want it to be on. Or no, even better. Actually, let's remove this. No, let's remove this. That's not what I want. I want a variable, actually. That is better. I want a variable. And let's go here in, let's change the maximum. I have an idea. Let's see. Let's go in the 60, like 70. Okay, I'm gonna call this trap variable. Right, trap variable, apply it. And I want it so that if this trap variable is equal to, I guess something like 1. Let's start like with 1 and 0. Yeah, let's just start 1 and 0. And this is gonna be also trap variable 0, right? Like that. Not action button, I guess auto run, I guess. And what I want to do is I want to change it. I want to have another one like here. I'm just trying things out. I just want to try something out. And I want to switch these two. So that basically, like, once you activate a button, in one case you can open one path, and in the other case you can't open the other path. You know what I'm saying? That's sort of like the idea that I have. And I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but hopefully it will. Right? And then, yeah, and then this, let's like remove that. Let's copy and paste it here. So since it's 0 by default, yeah. And here I want to have a switch, another switch, which is going to change that value basically. Let's have it, I guess, somewhere here. Yeah, I guess, I don't know. Let's just have it here for now. So yeah, that is also, like, sometimes I really struggle with that also for like my work, right? Like when you, it's hard because when you do research, you don't always know like whether you're gonna get results or not. And I am trying my best, right, with my PhD. But sometimes it's just I have like this voice in my head which is trying very hard to, you know, which tells me that like I'm not good at anything. And it's sometimes it's hard. Wait a second, where is that? Where is the tile set? Why isn't the A tile set here? Why isn't the A tile set here? I need the A tile set right here. Unless I can just do it like that. Yeah, let's just do it like that. And on action button, right? I'm going to change control variables, and I'm gonna set this variable here. I'm gonna set it to 1. Actually, Rick, what is the best code editor for low-end PCs? Code Notebook plus is working fine. Yeah. Oh, 43 people. Oh, hey, what's up? I didn't notice that. Actually, let's have a conditional branch with this variable, right? If variable, trap variable, constant 0, then we change it to that. And let's have a loop, create else branch, else we put it here and we change it to 0. And hopefully what's gonna happen, oops, nope. And hopefully what's gonna happen is that we're gonna like open one path and like block the other. Need to get out for food. Allons-y. I didn't know you spoke French, but it doesn't have intelligence. What is that? So I think this is going to work. Hopefully it will work. Let's see if it does work. So as you can see in here, right, we have the situation in which this way is like we have a trap. Here we can walk, no problem. Like we can walk through. But if I interact with this, did I enter? Oh, I need to have it on auto run, I think. Yeah, okay, well, we were missing something. They both have to be on auto run, I think. If I'm not wrong. Right, auto run. No, they have to be in parallel. Either on auto run or parallel. Wait a second, let me just see in here. Auto run starts when the event appears. Oh no, it's parallel. They both have to be in parallel. Yeah. That's how you want them. And this also has to be in parallel. Parallel, yeah. That's why I was like, no, that's something wrong. Then versus code, indeed. So see what I'm going for, right? Like it's so basically you're gonna have to like interact with the small thingy to kind of open a path. Like right now I can go here, like no problem, right? I can walk on top of that. Or I can't. Wait a second. This is not working as I want it. This is not working correctly. This is not working correctly. Did I add this action button? Not below characters, same as characters. Okay, well, we'll get there. We'll get there. Also, let's add here something like a balloon icon for the player, like exclamation, I guess. Yeah, so like, yeah. So just to make it a little bit more like, huh, something happened. You know what I'm saying? Let's do that. Yeah, I think that was not working correctly because it had to be like same as player, I guess. Let's see if this works. Oh well, I need to stop that. Yeah. Oh, oh wait, I think I know what's happening here. There's a problem. I think there is a problem because now as soon as they enter the ruins, I get, yeah, see my HP go down because it's as if this one was like hurting me. So that's a problem. Why can I not move? Hello? Why can I not move? I can't move. Okay, well, I can't move. There is something. Okay, well, I'm doing something wrong. Show icon, and then it has to like. Is RPG Maker one encoding? Yeah, like you need just a little bit. Honestly, compared to other softwares, not really like as much, but. Okay, so there is a little bit of a problem there, I think. Well, unless I can change the... No, this is not gonna work. This is not gonna work well with parallel. This is not gonna work well with parallel because if we work with parallel, then this is gonna happen, you know? Like this is gonna hurt me, and that's not what I want. I want this. Basically, I want this line to trigger once I'm like close to it or on top of it. But then I want it to change once I like press the button. So we need to do something a little bit different. This has to be on player touch for sure. Because if it's not on player touch, then it's gonna hurt me. So that there is that. So there is that. These also have to be on player touch. Actually, player touch was fine. Player touch was the way to go for these. Otherwise, I get hurt, and that's not good. Then in here, when I change the variables, I also need to like interact with the events. So control variable, control self switch. Nope. How can I interact with the other one? Wait a second. I guess I need another event or something. Like, I don't know how to, you know what I'm trying to do, right? How long have I been making games with Unity? I haven't. I've never made a game with Unity. I've never. Do you know how to program in Unity? No, I know. I don't. Oh, how long have you been? Oh, that was with it. Okay, 1 year. I was learning myself. Noble has some kind of it, only for words. Okay, making without college. So yeah, it's I'm a little bit. I just need to think a little bit, harder. So what I want is basically when I use this, when I like press the button, something has to happen. So here the trap variable is changing, but it also has to like interact with the traps. So how can I do that? What option do I have in here? Right? Like I need to somehow interact with that. Unless maybe I use some sort of common event. I'm not sure, honestly. I am 13. Oh, you are 12. Oh, enjoy. Oh my god, enjoy life. Enjoy. 12, 13, that's the best age. It goes by so fast. Like, one moment you're 12 and then the next you're 25. Like, what the hell? So I'm a little bit stuck in here, but I like a challenge. I like a little bit of a challenge. Is it lagging? No, was it lagging? So how can we have that work? How can we make this work? Basically, I need to combine, the parallel with something that is not parallel. And I'm not sure how we can do that. If you guys know how to do that, that would be awesome. Maybe I need to use something. Maybe I need to have something that is like, which country you are living? I live in France. But first of all, let's see if that's like if the button actually works. So like we change the variable because it was not working correctly, and I'm not sure why. Sorry for me kind of off topic. That's okay. What is this game? It's a change Perl to auto run. I think it works. I don't know. Yeah, the thing is, if I change it to parallel, if I change it to parallel is correct for a part of it, because if I change it to if I set it to parallel, then Okay, here, I don't understand. Wait, here I don't understand why I'm stuck. That is a good question. Like, why am I stuck? Like, what's happening? Oh, let's try to do the F5 thing. Oh, nope. That did not work. But what are you trying to do? Opportunity using opportunity till 2000. Hey, Cheap, thank you. So what I'm trying to do is, basically in here, I have this trap situation, right? So I have two states. A state in which the trap, basically if you step on top of it, you get attacked by the trap. Like you go, right, minus 50 HP. And another state in which it does nothing. And I have two traps in here, right? There you go. This trap here is the same, but they're switched. They both use a variable, and depending on the value of the variable, the trap is either active or not. So for this one trap, the trap is active for a value of 1. While this trap here is active for a value of 0. Right? That's the thing. And here there is a button that you can press. And basically what this button does is that it just changes this variable from 0 to 1 in, from 1 to 0. Hey, Johnny Freak, what's up? So there is that. But the thing is, you have same as character. I have same as character. Wait a second. In priority. Same as character, yes. You need below or above. But the thing is, I wanted to, well, it's strange because thing is that I wanted to have a same as character because like I interact with it. Well, let me have it below because it's not gonna be below character or above character. Let's try above character. Let's try. Thank you for that. Let's try. Trust it. Yeah, I'm gonna trust you. I'm gonna trust you. Let's fix like one thing at a time. And so let's see if this works already. Just submit a short paper you have, Johnny. That is great. I'm almost done with this new paper that I worked on, and like I need to work on the. See, the thing is, like, I can't interact with it. Or, no, it's not that. I can't move. Wait a second. Priority. Display priority of the event. However, when the image is a tile and that priority is below characters, the tile set settings will be used. I think that is why. Wait a second, let's try below. Change the position of the bottom. What of the bottom? Wait a second. Is it by touch? I don't. Well, the thing is that I don't want it to be by touch. Like I can. Yeah, okay, let's make it on event touch. But no, wait. Let's make it on player touch. Either player touch or event touch. I want it so that you could you press the button, but I can make it so that you walk on top of it. I guess. Yeah, that there's also that. We can try it that way. So, no, that's not what I want. So now I'm struggling a little bit with the positioning of. Okay, well. Oh, I can't. Yeah, I cannot go on top. Okay, well, it makes sense. You know what? Let's change the because I can't walk on top of it. I cannot walk on top of it because I have some collision on it. Let's change it to a different tile, which doesn't have collision on it actually. Let me see what I can use. let's just use, what can I use? Do I have, nope, that's not what I do. I can defeat the magazine croak. You cannot? No. It's a great fight. It is a great fight, honestly. Bum, 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 bum. Well, let's take this. Where is this? Whatever. Just to try it out. Is RPG Maker related to Game Maker at all? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, David. I don't think so. I think there are two different things. Okay, let's see if this works. Yeah, no, there is something going on for real. It looks fun to use. It is a lot of fun to use. I think the problem is that I am stuck. Oh, I think I know what the problem is, actually. And it has nothing to do with that. It doesn't have, no, it has to be, okay, you know what? I think I do know. Let's actually set this differently. Let's set this differently. Let's set this differently. I think it's the way that I have this if else situation going on. Let's try it this way. And let's just, because it's not related to action button, same characters. It's not related to that because I got blocked in all three cases. I tried below character, above character, and same as character, and in all three cases, I got stuck there. So I don't think it has. It's related to that. It's related to the if else loop. I think I'm stuck in the loop. That's the thing. RPG may need code to set up interaction like events or dialogue. No, not really. No. Look at that. Yay. Okay, so now it's working. It's working, but it's not setting. Yeah, okay, so this is working now. Like I interact with it correctly. I think I need to make sure that I didn't. Here, if trap variable is 0, set it to 1. If trap variable is 1, set it to 0. Cool. And now if I just make sure that, yeah, if just for the sake of this, oops, is it parallel? Oh, I have an idea. I do have an idea, actually. I do have an idea. I do have an idea. By the way, what language does RPG Maker use? It's JavaScript. So like it's interacting with it, but it's not changing the variable, like for some reason. So what am I doing wrong? If trap variable is equal to 0, right? Set it to 1. And in case it's set to 1, set it to 0, right? Like that's what's happening. And then end here. Oh, you know what? Also, let's change. I have an idea. I'm just gonna see like with the different user as well. Just great for game development. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. See, look at that. So there is a problem in here. It's not actually working correctly. Because if you can see in here, it always enters this, the first one. No, actually only this, always this one. So it means that it doesn't change the trap variable to 0. It does not do it. Bye, Sinoi Cat. Bye, bye, bye. It does not do it. It doesn't do it. It always see like it always plays the exclamation thing, but not the question. So there's something in here for sure. I think it does change it, but then something else happens. Bum, 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 bum. I think something else has to happen, like like there is something that I'm missing for sure. Let me close this. There is something that I'm not aware. Oh no, it's crashing. No. What language does RPG Maker use? JavaScript. Well, that's what it uses. It crashed, everybody. So what am I missing? Because basically the variable... See, it all boils down. Like the other day, RPG Maker uses JavaScript. I did not know. Yeah, it does. Yes, it does. It does use JavaScript. Yes. Crash. Yeah, yeah. Basically, all the plugins are in JavaScript. So if you know JavaScript, you can make your own plugins and you can change. Like you can really do whatever you want. You know what? I just want to see, just for the sake of it, since we're only doing 1 and 0, instead of having like 1 and 0, let's just have a switch. I think it's gonna be better. I have an idea. Instead of working with variables, just work with a switch and like have it on and off. 150. Yes, I'm gonna call this trap switch. Because I have a feeling that there is something there's something wrong with like in regard to like how I'm setting. Let me remove that. So if trap variable, so in that case, yeah, let me change this. So instead of there, I'm gonna go for a switch. If trap switch is on, turn it off, basically. Yeah, if trap switch is on, turn it off. And if trap switch is yeah, I think there is something that I'm doing wrong with the variable. I'm not using it correctly, so that's why. If trap switch is off, yeah. JavaScript nowadays is just everywhere. I am really not familiar with JavaScript. I've never taken any class or anything, so I'm really not. I don't really have any experience with that. Control switches. Right? So basically, if trap switch is on, turn it off and you end here. And if the trap switch is off, you turn it on. Boom. That's it. Is this the ruin temple? Maybe. Who knows? Honestly, since we're all in the same Rickverse, who knows? But it's pretty cool. Look at this map. You didn't see. We have an entrance, like we're now connecting the areas. So this area 1 that we had, I'm linking it this way to this ruin entrance, and then from this ruin entrance we go up to this ruins here. This is like the first like map with this tile set. I think it's gonna work now with the switch, honestly. So in here we're gonna check. We're not gonna check a variable. We're gonna check a switch, and we're gonna check this trap switch, and that's it. Like, and in here, nothing. Yeah, so here the switch is on and here the switch is off. Easy as that. And here the switch is on. And here the switch is off. Boom, there you go. Right? Let's see what happens. So yeah, I think it's possibly related to how variables are handled in RPG Maker, and on me not dealing with them correctly. Like really need to like do a little bit more of research on how variables work. Have mock exam is when the holidays run game now. Good luck with that, Ed Boss. Good luck with that. Okay, so something happened, I guess. Wait a second. Did I have what did I set this to? Okay, so this, let me just remove it. Honestly, let me remove it. Up, up, up. And this is still not working for some reason. JavaScript is a functional language disguised as object-oriented language. What is happening? What is happening, like on Earth? What is happening? Because see, like if I click on it, it's the exclamation, right? It's here. It's here. So basically, if trap switch is off, it turns it on, and then it just doesn't stay on from right? Like that is what's happening. Good luck with your essay. Shadow. Okay. Good luck with that. Honestly, what is happening? What is happening with this? Like, does it, maybe I need to go, oh, maybe I need to go here. Oh, wait a second, I have an idea. I need to break exit event processing. I think I need to do something like this, actually. Wait a second, exit. Ends running events. I think I need to add this line. I have a feeling that I need to add this line. Hi, when you put the plants as a trigger, it worked correctly, I think. So I don't think it's the code with the problem. You may want to have a look at how the tiles interact with the player. Hey, Pirakos. Yes, so there's also that for sure. You say there may be a problem with how I interact with it. But the thing is, look at here. Like, I interact with it, and when I interact with it once, the switch changes. Like, I can have a look at a tile set for sure. Let me have a look at a tile set. If I go into ruins, this is the one that I chose. This one here. And passage is like blocked on all sides. But that's okay, because I just want to interact with it. Maybe it needs to be an if-else statement, because the code will execute both if blocks. I tried that actually, Lawrence, before, and it wasn't working. And then I changed this. That's why there is something like that for sure, Lawrence. I'm pretty sure there's something like, maybe it's playing both. That's why I'm trying with this exit event processing, because maybe what's happening is that it reads the first one and then the second one, and then it resets. That's the problem. That's maybe why we need an if like we need like an if. Let's see, because the if else was not working for some reason. There is some subtle. There is something subtle going on. It's really like, yeah. Hey JJ, what's up? They could be executed both if blocks. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. Okay, we got it. We got it. It is working. It is working. Look at that. Because now it switches. It goes from like the exclamation mark to the... Great. Okay, now it is working correctly. Oh, wow. Oh, great. Okay, it's very good to know. I would not have said that. Okay, great. Basically, if you do this, it's gonna play both. Which is not what I thought. Like, this AND line, what does that do? This AND line does nothing, basically. Why even have it there? Like, it's the end of the if statement. Like, thank you. But like, for real. Okay, at least we did this. Okay, so we really need this exit event processing here. Cool. Cool. Hey JJJ, how are you, Rick, today? I am doing pretty well, thank you. Had a pretty productive day. And we've made this map here, which is like our first map, and we're trying to set up some traps. Okay, so that's working. Let's have a look at these and see why they don't switch correctly. Right? And now I feel that actually, okay, so the problem was not the variables. You know what? Yeah, let's actually, okay, so basically the variables was not the problems, and then the variables was the right way to go. Because here I can't check, like in here I want to check if the switch is off, but I can't check it, which is weird. Like in the conditions, I can check if a switch is on, but I can check if a switch is off, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's, to me, it's a little bit weird. Because, okay, appears when the specified switch is on, but what if, like, I want to check it if the switch goes on and off. So that's why we need a variable, I think, because the variable is going to check, like, okay, the variable, does it have this value or not? Because as it stands now, look, like, I change, like, look at that. Like, this is working, but this is not changing, which is a problem. That is a problem. That is a problem. So let's, I guess, let's try to go with the variables. We'll get there. We will get there. I swear, we will get there. It's just, we need to play around. We need to really play around. Priorities. Hey, nerd zones. Priorities, absolutely. There is something with in here that makes it so that it doesn't. Is RPG Maker? Yes, it is. Ladder pages have higher priorities. You're right. Yes, that's the thing. You told me last time. I remember it from last time. How many times there was talk about Rickrolling? A ton. A lot of times. So now the thing is, because this has priority over the other one, but if I turn the switch off, right, okay, if I turn the switch on, yeah, no, you know what, let's, I think we need to go back with the variable situation. Yeah, we need to, yeah, okay, I have this idea. Let's go back with that. So the variable was here somewhere. Where was it? Trap variable, okay. So trap variable equal to 0, set the variable here to, set the variable here to 1. And then we exit. Cool, that is what we want. Switching the pages will insta-fix the issue in this case. You mean like without, wait a second, cancel. You mean I can just switch these pages? Wait a second. I am intrigued now. I am intrigued. It feels like making mapping micro, but with more option possibilities. I really want to overwhelm you, like Unity or Unreal. No, I think right now it's just like I don't know how to do certain things, but how can I copy? Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste it. By the way, I don't need the walking animation here. So you're saying that if I switch these, it should work, right? Let's see. Let's see if this works. I think we're gonna get stuck, honestly. I think we're gonna get stuck. But let's see. No, let's see. Because can we, and then can we go? Is this priority thing? Is this priority thing? Let's see. Oh my god, you are so right. Oh my god, Nerd Zone, you are, oh my goodness. Nerd Zone is the best. Okay. Wow. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you so much. This is so counterintuitive for me. This, I swear, it is just not intuitive. It is not. I'm so happy. I swear, I'm just the happiest person. Look, see, it's like, it's a lot of small things like that. See, this is like, as I told you guys, this is for me a little bit of an experiment. Because I've read some stuff about it and how like RPG Maker is like, it can be frustrating, but I'm pretty sure that it's like sometimes it's because we don't know exactly. We don't know the thing enough. That's the only problem. Like, look at that. This is great. Oh my god, thank you so much. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm just the happiest person. Yeah. Okay, so well, now we do have a problem though. We do have a problem, which is the HP situation. Because I don't want my HP to. I swear, I'm just so happy. I cannot. I just can't explain. Yeah. That's HP situation. Because what I wanted to do is, when you step on top of it, it should, like, your HP should go down, but can it check if the player is on top of the event? Can it do that? It doesn't. Me too. I'm happy. Soul, right? It's honestly, we're all happy. Like, I'm gonna put something here. Like, let's put something in here. Like, wait, I have an idea. Let's put a new event, like, in here, and I'm gonna put a, what can I put? It should be event touch or player touch. Yeah, but if I do event touch or player touch, then it doesn't update, or does it? Because I put, wait a second. Because the thing is that if I put it on event touch and player touch, then it doesn't update immediately when I touch the button here. Like, I have it on wait a second. Player touch, player touch, player touch. Oh no, wait a second. Player touch, player touch. No, I think it's actually a not a. I think okay. I think we fixed it. Player touch, player touch. Damn, what was the problem that I had? I think there is actually no problem. I think we're good. Look at that. It should be event touch. No, let's go on player touch. Oh my god, I think we made it. If we made it, I swear, like, I'm so happy right now. This is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Okay, so it's not only working correctly, I'm like, my HP are fine, and if I go down here, if I go above, look at that, my HP no problem. But if I go here, boom, my HP went down. This is absolutely, oh my god, I'm just so, this is so insane. This is insane. This is just great. Honestly, this is the best thing. Let's also add like some sort of animation in here when the HPs go down. When the HP go down, let's go like animation, show animate. Nope. Show animation. Player head physical, I guess. Maybe something like that. right? Who are you? I'm from the ancient Greece. You are. I'm from the ancient. I'm from Italy. You can add some flash screen as well. Yeah, let's also let's play around with that because I don't really, I'm not that familiar with like all you can do, honestly. So if I go here, right? Yeah. Now let's go on top of it. Wow, that is bad. That is too bad. But the thing is, there is a problem. We do have a problem. Everybody, we have a problem. Because my HP doesn't go below 1. And I have I have set it. If I go in here, I have set the knockout, allow knockout option, and it just doesn't work. This allow knockout option does not work. If unchecked, stops at 1 HP, but it is checked. Like allows HP to drop to 0. It doesn't work. Like it just doesn't work. My nation will finish the game. What do you mean? What do you mean? I swear, this allow knockout, what am I missing? Like allow knockout allows HP to drop to 0 if unchecked stops at 1 HP. So that is one problem that we have. And I think it may be due to one of the plugins. And I'm like, but I'm not sure why. Well, will the character respawn if he dies? It will respawn at the latest save point. So the latest save point is where blah blah blah, where we saved. Here, like outside the temple here, right? So let's go in here. There has to be a way to. Hey, hi, what's up? There has to be a way to force it. I guess, like. I don't understand, like. I don't understand. Change HP. There is a lame way, but you better find the core issue with the plugin that messes it up. You're right, there has to be. I think it's here. Let me see. We've got core engine, skill core. It's not these ones. Action name, battle HUD, boss HP. Nope. Combo counter. I think there is something with the actor HUD, HUD, actor HUD. Nope. There has to be something here. I think your setup is correct. There is something that interferes with it. Exactly. And that is hard. Like attack command, there has to be something here. Like level up animation ID, treasure. I'm pretty sure there's something that interferes. There has to be. Escape. Nope. Command, cursor, blah, blah, blah. Action cost, charged. It's not this. ATB. Chrono ATB, HUD, Chrono enemy HP. What is this event sensor? Nope. So yeah, not sure. Honestly, not sure, and it's one of those things. It's like it's hard to find because it's like I can't see what's interacting with it. Well, what we can do, let's try to do something, okay, in a similar fashion. Let's try to do something so that we have sort of a door, maybe, or something, like a door appear, or something that is blocking and then it moves, right? In a very similar fashion. Let's do that. Oh, also, no, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to add in here something for nerd zone. I'm just gonna add it here. Like, let's add a. What do you want, nerd zone? I don't know. Let's get in here. Let's add a. Something like. And when everything seemed lost, nerd zone found a way, or something. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna keep it there. I'm just gonna leave it there. My nickname is Kartasha, by the way. Sure, you prefer that? Sure, I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna go with that. Look at that. And then I'm gonna have the player show a heart. Look at that. So we have that. Cool. Let's try to have sort of a door situation, like a door that you interact with the door. And this doesn't even look like a button, by the way. Like, can we have something better? I want something better. I have to change this tile set, like add more tiles to it. Yeah. So let's say we have, let's create a new thing. Where is the tile set? Why can I not choose the... Why do I have the tile set A? Like, I don't have the tile set. I cannot select the tile set A, basically, for some reason. I cannot select that. So what can like block us? Oh, look at that. Actually, I think nope. What can be blocking us? Tile A is reserved for terrain. I know, right? I just wanted to have sort of a door or something that is like blocking our path and then it moves. Like it should, you know what I'm saying? And like the door tiles are on a different, they are on a different place. So let's take something different. It sort of looks like, that. Something that can block our way. Like, what can be blocking our way? What can be blocking our way, everybody? What can be blocking our way? Like a head, or a head, I guess. I don't know. Check the alternative way listed above. Oh wait a second. Restore way is that you set a parallel event. It will check if you have less than 50 HP. They will turn on a switch, and one that switches it off if you have less than 50. Then you can set a check on the spikes that check if the variable for less than which is on that will directly kill you. Oh my, yeah. That, a 1 pixel bush that can be cut with a power up. There's a lot of ideas here, everybody. That is a pillar. Hey, you Chen. Yeah, maybe a pillar just stands in there. You can set a check on this. Yeah. I need... Oh, wait, I have an idea. I've had an idea. That sounds like a good idea. this, like to check a variable and back and forth. I'd say the best idea is for me to really go into the plugins and see what is not working. And let's go to a sprite, everybody. We need a sprite because we need a separate, sort of like a separate sprite to do what I want to do. So if I take my tile sets here, what is it? Where is it? I guess it's wins 5. Let's open these two. It might really not be that easy. I mean, plugins are completely complicated, right? Yeah. But I guess, you know, right? So far I've had a nice, like, not as many problems with that. So, you know, pretty happy with that. You know what I'm gonna do? Oh my god, you guys are not ready for it. I'm gonna have a pillar, but like I'm gonna have a pillar that sort of like goes into the floor. If I can make that happen. Like I wanna have a pillar. I wanna have this. I wanna have exactly this. Like I wanna have this. And I want it to go into the floor. Let me open a new file. Let's go like 150 by 150. I don't know. Like, no, wait, let's make this right. What is the size of it? You're gonna see, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be like the best thing you've seen all day. You will see, you're like, wow. And let's multiply this by 4. And let's Control B it and Control G it, right? And then let me just take the upper part here, and it's basically gonna go down. Like, does that make sense? It makes sense in my mind. Like it just does make sense in my mind. Like, and in here it's just gonna go down. Like I'm gonna remove this part, and then I'm gonna push this down all the way down. Maybe no, wait, maybe like actually maybe something like this. If you think it's a problem, you can close all the plugins to see if the problem still persists. You are right, Pedagogos. Actually, that's something that I have to do for sure. Thank you. I did not think of it, but it makes a lot of sense. It makes a ton of sense, actually. Actually, you know what? I just want. Nope. Well, you know what? Let's just do it simply. Why am I so complicated? Just copy and paste this here. And then something like that, or like even more, and then like only this, basically. Okay, I can't. Yeah, like it has to be on the floor. And you need to be able like to walk on it. I need to. Okay, it's not very back. I mean, this and 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 this. Yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? And then like you can go through. This has to go down more. Like I needed to like, yeah, something like that, I guess. Like I want to animate it. I don't know if that's gonna work as I want, but yeah, something like this. What's up? Hey, Penta Jr. What's up? I'm trying to see if I can. Yeah, we'll see if this works. Maybe it won't work, but I've tried. Everybody, I'm trying. Okay. Let's go in characters, and I'm gonna call it pillar. Pillar trap, pillar movable pillar, or something like that. Movable pillar. Does that make sense? Export. Yeah. So if I go in here, I'm just gonna, so let's change this, like, right, we have, right, let's sort of like close it like that. And in here, I want to have one of those pillars. If you make it move down less each frame, it will create a nice ease out effect. That's what I'm trying to do, Penny, but I don't know how to. I don't know how to do this on a with RPG Maker. If you guys know how to do it, like I'm here, like I'm listening, because I've never done it. Like it's like in my head I know what I'd want to do, but I don't know if how to do it. Like I want to go here and I wanna movable pillar and I wanna, no wait, how to, what? What am I missing? Wait a second. What's the problem here? How can I define, wait a second. I think I need to go in here first. Like I need to go in my, how can I define, wait a second. How can I define the size basically? Like if I go in image, in here it knows like what, it knows like the size of it. But if I go in my movable pillar, it doesn't know. I need to do the programming. Yeah, good luck, damn. Good luck with that. How do you do that? Like legit, I do not know. I do not know how that's done. Not gonna lie. Like here it knows the size of it. But where is this information stored? Like how I can tell it that this is one frame and like this is a second frame and this is a third frame and this is a fourth frame. Pillar sprite size. Yeah, but like how can I tell the software that, like, you know what I'm saying? Like if I go in here in this tool Vulkan, it knows that like this bunch of pixels, like this is one frame and this is a second frame, this is a third frame. You should use animate. You should use animate and turn to a certain direction, but they should be stacked below each other. Okay, well that's another problem. You should use animate. Okay, well, let's see. If I select only, like if I select only this, it's gonna take only that. Wait a second. You should use animate and turn to certain direction. Well, I can stack them up, like it's not a problem. Like I can if I need to change it to, wait a second, what is that? What a second, what is happening right here? Pixel Pete has commented or something, and I don't know. Try to arrange them as a single character sprite sheet. They are, right? Like they are, like this is a single character sprite sheet. You know what? What we can do is, I have an idea. I do have an idea. So that is not what I wanted. Let's take one that works. Let's take character 1. Let's take a character. Where is it? Hero. Cool. Let's take hero 1. Okay. Let's copy. Oh, nope. Hero, let's take all of this and then new file. Right? Yeah, 3 times 4, that's the thing. That's why it doesn't understand. Yeah. So basically I'm using this same, right? Yeah. And let's do this. So let's divide this into thingies. So Penta Junior, I found this. Firstly, for you is the minimum size. It can be any size larger. As long as they're the same size, it will automatically separate them into individual sprites. Hey Adam, what's up? What is program called? What is that? What is program is that? This program is a sprite, but this program here is RPG Maker MB. Maybe it was because it was too small. Could be that. What is the size here? Well, I have an idea. Honestly, I do have an idea. Let's divide this. So the size of it is 234, 432. 234, 432. 234, 432. Divided by 3 and divided by 4. So there you go. That's because of the name first and the arrangement second. I'm trying to have environment lost in EU. That's alright. Thank you for the help, Penta Junior. We'll get there. Don't you worry. We'll get there. Now we take this column right here. And then I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste it. Actually, you know what? I have an idea. I don't think we need to go that route. We just need to make sure. So what is the size of it? So let's copy this, okay? And in a new file, we need to make sure that we have 3 in the width and 4 in the height. Yeah, this should work. And then we start by saving this. We're doing some sort of like reverse engineering to make it work, and I love it. I'm not gonna lie, I love this. I just love it. I don't know. I feel like I'm cracking the code. Like I don't know. I find it cool. It's almost like, look at that. Like it almost like it's not like it detects these. It's like it detects like this big one is like 1. It's weird. It's like it divides them, but like not as a 1. Like what the hell? The name now. Okay, so the name. Okay, so the name. It has to have. Okay, so the name. Okay, yeah, you're right. The name. I think it has to be vertical, not horizontal, but still something more. Okay, unit at the beginning of the name. Yeah, exactly. We're going there. I feel like I'm discovering, honestly, I'm discovering a whole new world. This is great. It's movable pillar. Where is it? Can you see it? It's in front of me, but I can't see it. Pretty sure. Oh, it's here. Okay, we need a $sign in front of it. There's just so much that I don't know. I feel like oh my god, we made it. Oh my goodness. We are making it. I'm so happy. I'm just so excited. I feel like I'm doing some sort of like, I don't know. I'm cracking the code. It's exciting. It's honestly exciting. The engine is suitable picture from spreadsheets of 4x2 NPC sprites. Single sprites needed file names to begin with the to change. Thank you. The madman. Yeah. It's our now what we need to do is we need to like break it down. Like we need to remove. So like we need to like remove. Like we need to do that. So yeah, so what we want to do now is like, let's take this And like, let's move it down. Like, let's move it down like 1 or maybe more. I don't know, like 1 and then no, maybe more, because otherwise, yeah, let's more like 1, 2, right? 2, and then here it goes down, and then here it's gonna go down like, oh no, that's not what I wanted. Like, let's just change this part here. Let's go down like 1, 2, 3. What on earth? Well, you know what? Like, let's remove this. And let's go down like that. Even more. You effed up the blue, by the way. Did I F up the blue? I may have. Did I? I think I could. Where? Oh my god, I can't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. Wait. I may have, yeah, I may have effed up the blue part. That's okay though. Like, I just wanna, you know, second row. Wait. I can't. Is it like the bottom or the top? Like, is it the top blue or the bottom two? The second row. Here, and it's like, I swear I don't see it. Oh, the bottom part. Oh, here. Oh, you're right. Oh, thank you. I did not see it. Yeah. Okay, you're right. Now let's go. Yeah, I just need to copy and paste this basically. Thank you, guys. Like, I didn't. Okay, cool. Yeah, there you go. We made it. Yeah, got it. We have it. Let's even go like a little bit down more, like here. See, you need to know like all of these rules. I'm pretty sure that, like, you know, I'm getting better and better over time, but like, once I get to, okay, let's just remove all of this. Once I get to know all of these rules, it's gonna be way easier to like customize my game. Okay, let's push this down, all the way down. And in here, well, in here we don't really care. We just want to keep like something like this, basically. Or no, something like that. Right, only the blue part. And like, I'm going to make it so that like you can actually that you can, like you can move on top of it or something. We'll see how that works. But let's just see if we can, like let's see if we can make that. Yeah, honestly, I'm excited. Where is it? Where is the what's the name? Movable. Here, movable pillar. Yeah, no, I'm not sure. I don't know if I messed up the thingy. Let's say walking. Let's set it to walking and stepping. Is it gonna change? Like, is it gonna move the frames? Ricky's on fire. Yeah, thank you. I'm excited. I'm excited to see if it's gonna like go up and down. Like, it's not going up and down, but like, how can I, wait a second. Oh, because it was fixed, I guess. Wait, how can I animate it? How can I animate it? Walking move, stepping does not. Okay, so maybe it's only walking, I guess. You know what? Let's see. Oh my god, this is gonna... Let's just go on a random moving path. This is terrifying. To be fair, the columns go down, the development has to be deleted. Because underground. You're right, actually. Maybe we can go like the animation and then only another like it's this is terrifying. Well, it is working. It just it is working. It's just it's terrifying, but it is working. It's I think we're on the right path for sure. We are on the right path. We've got a movable column. This is gonna work very nicely. Angry zombie pillar. Like this is the most random thing. Oh, is this? I like it. It's just so random. All bugs that get to production are a failure. Are features. This is like I have to have it as a feature. I need to have a column. Everybody, I need to have a column enemy for like this is happening. I didn't know what sort of enemy I wanted. This is gonna be an enemy. Like a column just standing there. Like I can have an enemy column. I'm 100% gonna have it. The most bizarre monster, I swear. But it works. I don't know. Yeah. It moves 4 times, then switch frame. Moves 4 times, then switch frame. Not so random. Yeah, let's see if we can go like speed faster, frequency highest, and like let's make it move all over. By the way, I don't know how long I've been streaming, but I think we've done a lot of progress, so I'm going to end here. Also, I started to feel a little bit hungry, but we've done a lot of progress. Look at this. This is absolutely terrifying. Look at this. This is the funniest thing. This is the funniest thing I've seen all day. Like there is a column just like going crazy around the ruins. Like this is the best thing ever. Look at that. And it just leaves. It just goes. it's just you know going on a trip or all around. Like it's just gonna. This is the best thing. I was honestly not expecting this to go this well. Hey, you have a question? Sure, go ahead. It could be a cool jump scare. That's how features been born. Yeah. We're gonna have like a couple of like a column enemy for sure. It's gonna be very fast. Hey, yeah, go ahead. Oh wait, Ahmed, go ahead. What is your question? Is Chris mechanic as a mod? Oh yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Hey, oh Ahmed, you have a question. I know. Go ahead. You can ask your question. you can ask your question. Go ahead. And then I'm gonna leave. We're gonna continue on the splitter master situation next time. This is hilarious. I'm not gonna lie. Well, yay, Lozy, what's up? Hey, how is it going? I'm doing great. Always with the real questions here. Yeah, like yeah, I guess there are questions like. Okay, well, everybody, next time, during the next stream, we are 100% going to. Can you make a full detailed videos on wall jumping in Godot? Okay, so the wall jumping in Godot, I highly recommend checking out. You do Godot wall jump, and you find, because the one that I used is this one, how to wall jump in Godot, from Game Endeavor. Check this video out. Is the one that I followed. And it works. Like, yeah, like I recommend you to follow this one tutorial here. It's great, and it works. So everybody, next time we're gonna do an enemy. We're gonna turn this ruin situation into an actual like ruin with traps, and we're gonna take advantage of this, you know, to make traps and to like make doors that like opens and like closes, um, and just make this interesting, like more interesting, with enemies and stuff. So I'm very excited. So having a lot from good luck with that, Lozy. So on this note, I'm just gonna save my game, and I'm gonna wish you a good night. I'm gonna go and rest a little bit. It was a nice stream. It was a nice stream, and our column is there, just having its best life. Honestly, this is just the best. So thank you everybody for tuning in. Have a good evening, Rick. Thank you, Penny. Thank you, Penta Junior. Bye, everybody. Best enemy, I swear, best enemy. This is gonna be the best enemy in the whole game. Thank you so much for the help. I just tuned in. Hey, yeah, enough. Rico is bring back to game. Thanks, bro. Thank you. Your first minute, 20 minutes were dead. Yeah, first minute died, but good. Yeah, thank you, Nerd Zone. Thank you, everybody, and yeah, say good night for this pillar for me. I will. It's just taking. Honestly, it's just going on a ride. It's just going around. It's just having. Look at that. It broke into the thingy. It just broke into. Oh yeah, I forgot that there. It just broke into the. It's like on the walls. Oh, thank you, Wham. Thank you, One. Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Thank you for answering. You're welcome. What? What's going on? Why the question marks? I'm just like going around with the pillar. Yeah, like yeah, anyway, like I'm going. Bye everybody. Bye. See you next time.